Hello and welcome to another update video about Chiliz. Chiliz has reached my target area that I communicated in the last video. Not only in the last video, I think I've been talking about this target area for weeks now, since I entered my long trade here. I have now also taken profits of my long trade because I think this wave B is getting close to exhaustion. Of course, not guaranteed, therefore I've only taken partial profits, but I think this is getting close to exhaustion. Generally, I think the Chiliz chart is quite interesting, but just to highlight here once again, why is this target area where it is? Well, it is based on the Fibonacci retracements, of this wave B. We have now just reached the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level, basically roughly at 20.5 cents. This can stretch higher. Yeah, this wave B, certainly. It could stretch to the 50% retracement at 22 cents or even the 61.8 at 23.5 cents. But the subdivisions of this wave C, we can find, well, we can basically count them as complete. We're going to take a look at that in this video. But the point is, I wanted to take some profits there because this one isn't moving great anyway. Left something in there because I think we are possibly in the beginning of an uptrend, but there will be one more low, which I plan to use to accumulate. But yeah, that's sort of my strategy, right? So we came down into this larger area between, where are we, 12.5 and 18 cents. Told you that I expect the price to reverse to the upside out of that area. I did therefore buy a long position, enter the long position here. We moved up higher. Yeah, we moved into this wave B area because I said to you that I think, yes, the low could be in here and that we are ready to make new highs. But due to the price structure, for me, it's more likely to do something like this. Came down here. We're putting a wave B in place and then come down in C of 2. Because overall, this chart is looking potentially interesting. I currently see this here as a wave 1 that we put in place and the move down here as a wave 2, but as an A, B, C pattern. So that's sort of how I see this. It is one of the charts that I see sort of on the same level with, or in the same corner like Optimism, yeah, Aave, possibly Ethereum. So one of the opportunity charts. It hasn't moved that much, but again, the way or the reason, or let's say the fact that it hasn't moved that much actually gives more clarity, because for me it means, okay, it's probably quite likely that this actually really is a wave B, because the wave B is a corrective move. It wouldn't move up that strongly. Like, for example, just look at the Ethereum chart. Ethereum is, in my opinion, in a wave 3. So a wave 3 is much more bullish, and that just makes me think, right, it's probably really here, this wave B. Now again, as you can see in this target area, this can stretch higher still. Wouldn't be surprised about that. What I will do if we stretch higher to the next Fib levels, I will take some more profits. And then in the C wave, I will use the C wave to accumulate more. And that is sort of my strategy really. And if we now look at the move to the downside, that C wave, that should ideally not drop below the 12.5 cent level. That's 78.6 retracement level. Going below that will already put some doubt on the bullish scenario, on the bullish case here. And again, the bullish case is wave 1 here, wave 2 here, wave 3 next to the upside. Can take us here into the region of, let's just calculate that. But it is just a rough guess because I don't know exactly where the wave 2 will bottom, but it could take us into the region around 44.5 to 45 cents. Yeah, that next larger rally to the upside. So I think we are in this rally, but before we do it, I think there will be one more low based on the Elliott Wave count and the price structure. Now, if we go above a certain level, it will get more likely that we are already in the breakout. And that level is the 78.6 retracement to the upside. So it would be the 25.5 cent level, 25.6 cent. Going above that would increase the chances, the possibilities, the opportunities that we are already in the wave 3 breakout. At the moment I can't see that. Yeah, you know my view now, and I just want to keep you updated. Okay, and lastly, before we finish the video, I just want to show you the 5-wave move here of this C wave of B. Just that you get an understanding of how I would count this. So I would see this here as a 1-2 setup, then here the 3, here the 4, and we're now moving up in 5. Okay, that's my update about Chiliz. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.